Okay, we have a 2009 Saturn View. We have the code p0013. It's talking about the exhaust solenoids. I'm gonna show you how to test them. We got a voltmeter, as you can hear it. You got continuity. Gonna check the new one. That's it. Now we're gonna check the old one. It's nothing. You not even have to take it out of the car to test it. Just unplug it and check if the coil inside the solenoid is good. It will have a reading over here, and right now it's no reading. This thing is not good. New one is good. So that's how you test them. With the voltmeter, you can do it without taking it out of the car. So that's it. We have not shown you where it goes anyway. This is a Saturn View. Before you take it out, make sure you use your blowgun and blow everything out of there. Flashlight died, and it goes right in the back, right there. So that's it. Put some grease in the O-ring and send it in, bolt it, plug it, clear the code, and drive it. Okay, I put a little bit grease on the O-ring. Now we're gonna put it in, all the way in. That's it. Just be gentle with it. It should just slide. That's it, and drop. That's it, don't push it, because now you're gonna screw the bolt. Okay, you got your 10mm socket, and if it gets stuck, you shake it, but it's moving good. Let's keep going. That's it. A little more, and now I'm gonna tighten them up. That's it. Now it's tight. Make sure you plug it in. Check the plug. Looks nice. It's nice and clean. It's not black. So you plug it in. That's it. If you still got the clip, put it on. If you don't have it, oh well. That's it. Make sure everything is plugged back in. I'm gonna put 1 quart of oil. It was low. Make sure it's full with oil. Alright, so that's how you fix p0013.